How to download Exness on PC. Want to trade on Exness using your computer? Let's walk through how to download and install it step by step. So first, go ahead and head over into the official Exness website. Always download from the official source to avoid fake installers. So Exness supports MetaTrader 5 and MetaTrader 4. MetaTrader 4 is simpler and great for forex trading, while MetaTrader 5 offers advanced features and multi-asset support. So from here, go ahead and select the version that you want to download into your PC or laptop. And then into this section, you'd find this download button. So click on this, and then the executable file download will start. And then once the executable file is downloaded into your PC or laptop, go ahead and open it from the downloads and then double click on the file to start the installation process. So once installed, you can go ahead and open MetaTrader and select Exness as your broker and log in with your account credentials. You're now ready to trade Forex, CFDs, and other instruments directly from your PC. And that's how to download Exness on PC.